I'm Jake Boyd here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, and I'm here to talk to you today a little bit about this Lance 1575. It's a 20-foot trailer. It's under 3,000, just about 3,000 pounds. It has quite a few little neat features and make it really livable and really usable. First, you start off with your power tongue jack, and you have your enclosure for your propane and your battery, which it locks, so it makes it pretty easy. Your pass-through storage has something that's pretty neat that you don't find anywhere else. You have a huge storage bin trough that folds out this way or that way under your true pass-through. So it makes it a little bit easy to organize things as they get into the bin. And this pass-through is actually accessible from inside. And we'll get in there in just a second. Also a little note here, this actually features a magnetic latch, so you don't have to fumble with it when your fingers get cold. Also, these acrylic windows pop right up for easy ventilation in rain or shine. So let's head inside and look at some of the features inside. As I said, you have access to that pass-through storage from right underneath your east-west bed here. And as you notice, kind of right from the beginning, there's a lot of light, a lot of brightness kind of gets in here. It's because you have your huge bank of windows. The front hitch window is a little bit of a rarity in a trailer of this size. Plus you have your rear window, so a straight line of sight for wherever you're parking. You also have a skylight on this guy, which you can cover up pretty well to maintain the heat or the little brightness that you'd be looking for. Now on top of that, you have your pull-out faucet, your big basin sink, triple burner stove, and a big oven as well. And up top, you're featuring your convection microwave, and all the cabinetry is solid wood with some really great hardware on it as well. Well, if we swing back around to the bed, you have your big east-west bed. And there's some neat features in this as well. You have all your entire charging station right here. You have your 110 ports, your car plug-in, and your USBs, and that's right next to a little handy little cubby for anything you might want to charge at night or store at hand. You have your big AC up top to keep this space cool in your temperature you want. And as you notice, for a 20-foot trailer, there's quite a bit of living space in here, and that's mainly due to this enormous slide out. The U-shaped dinette has a lot of sitting area, and as well, underneath it, you have access to a lot more storage. And that storage doesn't stop just underneath the dinette itself. And this U-shaped dinette right here, can be converted into another sleeping space. So you can either take out this post and turn it into a couch, or you can convert this into a sleeping space. If we come all the way back into the rear here, we have your bathroom. It has a really big shower, and that curtain actually arms out to give you a little more room to move inside the shower as well. A bunch of fans, a bunch of light, and a bunch of space in this guy keep this guy really bright and really good. So if you have any more questions about it, feel free to drop me a line, 773-655-7190, or stop on by Junction City. My name is Jake. Thanks.